Ah, the cheeky robin, bold in colour, bold in character. The winter is the season when we see it multiplied, and as I walk along the tree-lined path, I'm not quite sure where one robin ends and another begins. More than any other, the robin gives the impression of wishing to befriend. One flits alongside me as I walk, or settles on a branch and tilts its head this way and that and meets my gaze with smooth, dark eyes. Then, darting away just as quickly, it flits here and there and around about, always just out of reach, teasing. Its song stops me in my tracks, full of secrets hidden in a tumble of cadences. Such confidence inspires new hope in me. This morning I stopped to notice a robin sing. It was just being a robin, singing its robin song with all of its heart. And there was such beauty in that. There is a simple beauty in something being fully itself. It made me think that we have a voice into our world. Who am I, and what is my voice? It takes time to discover, and it can be a wonderful and painful adventure. But there is a gentle invitation to be brave with who we are, to take our place, to discover and be wholeheartedly ourselves. To be brave to believe that who you are is a gift to those around you. The opposite is shrinking back and hiding away. What if the robin looked around, saw it wasn't a blackbird, and decided to hold back and not to sing? This morning I stopped to notice a robin sing its robin song and was inspired to write a poem. What if there's a poem written over your life that needs to be heard? An appreciation of beauty that only you inspire?